Now, as you see here, we got a nice size hole. It's not too big of a crazy hole, but it is a hole in the wall. This is the kit I ended up getting at the Lowe's. The DAP Wall Repair Patch Kit. Dry decks spackling. So, we'll see how this goes. We'll see how this pans out. This one was kind of intriguing to me because the spackle says it goes on pink, but it dries white, so you absolutely know when it's dry. I read the instructions. Yes, I read the instructions, but I have no clue what I'm doing. So, it said what to do, but I'm gonna tweak it a little bit. It came with a piece of sandpaper, so I just lightly stuffed around the hole where I'm about to fix. It doesn't say do that, but it came with sandpaper because you're supposed to sand it afterwards. But I figure, what's it gonna hurt? It can't make it, it's gonna make it a little better. Since it did come with this patch here, there's no point in just slapping this patch over the middle of it. So it said basically cut the patch to size. So I don't really need that big of a patch to fix this hole. So I'm probably just gonna cut it right about here, so I don't waste the whole patch. And then just cut it about right here. That's good right there. Cut a little square out of the patch here, just so I can fix that little hole right there. Okay. Now, it says take some of the spackle stuff here and some of this stuff here and put it on one side of the patch. I'm just going to dig this out here. I'll set the jar on the fan here for a second. And okay, this is interesting. Okay. Okay, and then it says just stick it on there. And then it says add some more on the other side of the patch. So I really should have gloves on, but I'm gonna try to do it without the gloves and not get this all over my hand. Oh, it did say feather out the edges. So it looks like it's stuck on there. It's not moving anymore, which is good. It doesn't really say how thick to put it on here. So I'm just gonna get it to the point where I don't see the patch anymore. Although I'm not really understanding how this is all gonna play with this kind of wall, because this wall is like, it's not a flat, this wall is not really a flat drywall. It's almost like a textured deal. So even if I have one flat spot, I'd rather have a flat spot than a big old hole right there. So I'm just gonna try to spread this out as evenly as possible. It's kind of weird because I can see the edge of the patch right there. Seems like I'm using way too much for this little bitty patch, but I don't know, we'll see what happens. And there's a mark there anyway. Okay. Doesn't really say how much to use, but I'm trying to go a different direction with this spreader. All right, there we go. All right. Well, I figure that's good enough. That's way too much as it is. Hole there. I'm gonna just continue on and fill up the other little holes I got and see how far this jar gets me. I get a feeling now I end up having to go back to the Lowe's. I gotta go back to the Lowe's anyway, but I have a feeling I have to end up getting some more of this. But I just don't know if this is the right stuff, man, because, you know, this wall is textured, and this seems like it would be better on a flat drywall type of deal. But all we can do is see what happens. I can tell now there's so many little holes that I think I need to go buy a sander. I know I need to buy a sander for the floor anyway. But I'm not really looking forward to sanding this by hand. But we'll see how it goes. Well, you get the idea, people. That's pretty much where I'm at with it. That's on there super thick. All the rest of it, I'm putting it on thin. And we'll see what happens in this journey. Yeah, I mean, there's still a lot left in here, so we'll see what happens. But that's what I'm doing with it. It didn't really seem like I got a lot done on Saturday, but the project is coming along slowly but surely. What you're looking at, I did all the spackling, and the spackling's dry, and it's ready to be sanded. So what you're looking at here is, this is the sander I picked up yesterday from Home Depot. Model number B05041. I'll let you know. I might do a review on it. I might not. I don't know. We'll see. I got this one for multiple reasons, but I'm not gonna really speak too much on it. I'll maybe do a full detailed video about this sander after I use it. After I put some time in with it. But I got this sander, and I ended up getting some sandpaper here. I got some 40 grit and I got some 60 grit. This would be for the floor. I'll do the floor. I'll start the floor off with the 40 and then hit it with the 60. Give it get all this spackle and stuff off the floor and give it something nice and grippy so I can put the new floor down. I kind of got an idea what we're gonna do with the new floor, but I'm not gonna even worry about it right now till after the room is painted, so we can see how the colors all match up. And then I got a bigger pack of 220. The 220 is what I'm gonna use to sand the spackle down and sand the walls down with the 220, just so it gives the paint a little bit something more to grip to.